Zakalin Superyacht. The largest and the costliest yachts are custom-made that depicts the pinnacle of creativity, craftsmanship, and luxury. Yachts represents class beyond class. If you own a yacht, then you are a step above others. What are the things that make a yacht a super yacht? Is it the price? Is it the design or the size? The answer is not so simple, but we have to agree that these things are essential for a yacht to be called a super yacht. When you look at this yacht, it gives the feeling of a super yacht, no doubt. The Zakalin Superyacht is a super speed yacht with high speed cruising. This 45-meter super yacht is a choice for the people who would always say yes to ocean voyaging. The super yacht is opulent enough to be able to carry a luxury object like a limousine tender. From above, the super yacht looks like a fighter ready to shoot missiles at its enemies. This super yacht inspires its design from the trimaran. The trimaran design helps in great seakeeping and also increases the deadweight capability. This also gives a larger deck capability. The trimaran keeps the super yacht stable and with very efficient power package. The super yacht also has a hydrofoil which reduces the drag, which increases the speed and the traveling range of the super yacht. The bow of the super yacht is inspired from the stance of the black marlin, and the superstructure is inspired from the peregrine falcon.
If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.